high drama that unfolded at Parliament Street Police Station today when leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi sat on a dharna and demanded the resignation, or the registration rather, of an FIR over pellet injuries suffered by a youth during the CJP-led July 20th protests. In fact, Mr. Gandhi was accompanied by 19-year-old Sahil Lochab, who had suffered these pellet injuries. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other senior party leaders also joined the dharna. Let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had to say.
20 जुलाई को पैलेट गन का प्रयोग हुआ। उसका सबूत क्या है? सबूत ये है, देखिए, ये है पैलेट्स, देख लीजिए इनको। ये कहाँ से आए? ये इनके शरीर से आए, दिखाओ। ये इनके यहाँ लगे छर्रे, 200 छर्रे इनके शरीर के अंदर है, 3 छर्रे इनके आंख में है। ये है एम्स की रिपोर्ट, जिसमें साफ लिखा है कि इनके शरीर में 200 से ज्यादा छर्रे हैं, आंख में 3 छर्रे हैं, आंख इनकी खो गई है, उस आंख से वो नहीं देख पाएंगे, और इनके दिल के पास छर्रे हैं जो छुए नहीं जा सकते हैं। दिल्ली पुलिस ने कहा कि हमने छर्रे नहीं चलाए, तो एक ही सवाल है, अगर आपने नहीं चलाए तो किसी ने तो ये छर्रे चलाए होंगे, शायद किसी और ने इन पर छर्रे चला दिए, और अगर किसी और ने नहीं चलाए तो पता नहीं, शायद इन्होंने ही छर्रे चला दिए हों। मगर क्राइम तो हुआ है, क्योंकि इनके शरीर में छर्रे हैं। हम सिर्फ ये कह रहे हैं कि FIR दर्ज कीजिए। अंदर से हमें बताया जा रहा है कि देखिए, ऊपर से ऑर्डर आया, FIR नहीं हो सकता है। गोली चलाई जा सकती है, मगर इस देश में अमित शाह की होम मिनिस्ट्री, दिल्ली पुलिस के लोग न्याय नहीं दिलवाने देंगे।
And our colleague Priyank gets us a report on these developments that took place just outside Parliament Street Police Station today. Listen in.
See, the legal battle is certainly something because of which Rahul Gandhi and the Delhi police FIR registration is taking so much of time. Rahul Gandhi reached out to this particular police station, which is Parliament Street Police Station, early in the morning. First he went to the Connaught Place Police Station, then Mandir Marg, and finally he has reached out here. Rahul Gandhi, along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has been sitting inside this Parliament Street Police Station, while the Congress party workers have been staging protests outside this police station regarding an FIR which has been demanded on the behest of one of the victim of the alleged pellet gun injury, who came along with Rahul Gandhi demanding the FIR in this particular issue. What Rahul Gandhi has been saying that there is a alleged pressure which is there on the Delhi police personnel, because of which they are not registering an FIR. But legally, if you speak, there have been 20 FIRs which have been filed by the Delhi police, out of which 15 FIRs are related to the incident of the crime which happened in the national capital on 28th, which is primarily related to the FIR of the rioting which is being probed by the Delhi Police Crime Branch, and the larger conspiracy which is being probed by the Delhi Police Special Cell. The FIR, other than that, the 5 of them were related to the complaint given by the journalists who were assaulted during the CJP protest. Now the fact of the matter is that will the Delhi Police go ahead and file 2 consecutive FIRs in the same issue is the technical aspect which is being looked into. Senior officials have been saying that they are looking into the legal aspect of it, because the crime branch is already probing the case of rioting. If at all the pellet gun was used, then certainly that could come under that particular FIR jurisdiction. Since this FIR of the crime branch which is looking into the rioting of the case is already there, we are awaiting the response from the Delhi police that whether they will be filing an FIR in this particular issue or not. But Rahul Gandhi is pretty adamant. He says that till the time the FIR copy is being handed over to them, then certainly they are not going to move away from the Parliament Street Police Station. He is inside, the supporters are outside, the tussle in between Delhi police and the Congress party workers still continues.